Okay, so then you take the pepperonis. Me and Charlie like a lot. Like. Hey guys, what's up? So, today, we're doing something really fun. We're gonna do a little bit cooking with the comforts. Me and Charlie love pizza. Like, it's one of our like favorite things to eat, I guess you could say. But we order it. So, we don't really like make food a lot, but when we cook, Charlie cooks. So I don't really cook a lot, but it's whatever. Today we're gonna make homemade pizza. This is the crust. We got some pizza cheese. Shout out to Hy-Vee, the store, giving us this great food. Some more cheese, because we like a lot of cheese. We got some pepperonis and pizza sauce. Okay. We're gonna start with the pizza crust.
Okay.
So Charlie's already preheated the oven because he's way ahead of the game. So you take this bowl and you put this in it. Something like this. You just shake it, fill all of this out. And then we're going to mix.
Mix it. Right.
So basically you're supposed to like put this in a bowl and then you're supposed to put a teaspoon all over the top of this to make it kind of like rise.
Yeah, then we gotta cover it up for a couple minutes. So why don't you get the teaspoon out of there? One of those.
And a teaspoon. So you take this and then you put that in there and just a little bit over the top of it and make sure like it's kind of even. Obviously it was hard to see, but it spread it over the top of it. Cover it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And let it sit for 5 minutes.
14.
While we're letting this sit, I am gonna go charge the GoPro really fast. So yeah, I'll catch you later. Okay guys, we're back. The dough has risen a little bit. The next step is to flatten this on that, right?
Yes.
So you take the dough out of this and this just gets flattened. Yes, Charlie washed his hands.
Yes, I did.
So we're like, you push it out and like, kind of like make it kind of have a little crust to it. I like my crust, personally, I like it thicker. I don't really like thin crust pizza because I like the crust, sorry. I like the crust and I think the crust is the whole point of it. Okay guys, so the next step, we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. So it's gonna be 6:22 when we put it in. So we'll go 5 minutes from 6:22. And put that in there.
6:27 is when we gotta get it out.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go charge this while this thing is cooking, so. Okay, hey guys, so we're back. Charlie's about to pull this thing out of the oven. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Pizza delivery.
Here's pizza. Charlie's about to open some sauce. You're not gonna put the whole thing on there, are you?
No.
Then take the cheese that's already open because I've already started a little bit snacking.
I usually sprinkle a little bit of cheese on, then put like the pepperoni.
got some Hormel pepperoni original. Okay, so then you take the pepperonis. Me and Charlie like a lot. Like, okay, and then I'll do this part. How long does it take to cook?
10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and Soraya's gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven. It's gotta stay in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. So while this is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and charge up the GoPro for a little bit longer. Here it goes into the oven.
Just peanut butter, no.
I burnt myself before though. We'll be right back with you guys.
Alright guys, so there's 2 seconds left. Holy cow. Alright, we're gonna check it.
Here, well, I grab it.
No, I want to. See if we can do this.
That's done.
That's done. Like, pull it out, set it on top. Make sure you turn off the oven, cause. So, that's how you cook a homemade pizza.
At least in the Comfort household.
Yeah. I mean, if you put toppings on yours, comment down below, let us know. We just do, really, originally, it's just cheese and pepperoni. I like the supreme toppings. Charlie's just not into it. So, I'm fine with this, though. So, let me know. Comment down below what you put on your pizzas. So, maybe we'll try it. Maybe. So, we're gonna, like, take a little video of us taking our first bite of it. And showing you what our reaction is. I mean, we've had it before, so it's not gonna be like, ugh, nasty. Nasty. We'll just show you that we make pretty good food when we try.
Right.
Yeah, so, we'll let you know how it goes. Alright guys, Charlie is gonna cut the pizza. Charlie is a huge perfectionist when it comes to stuff like this, and I love him for it, but sometimes I'm like, speed up the process. Like, I would have cut it into 4 squares and called it good.
No, not good enough. It's gotta be triangles. 4 squares is allowed when it's a Totino's pizza.
Okay, you get the point of what it looks like to cut a pizza. So this is a pizza right here. Like,
that is why you cut it in triangles.
alright babe. It's gonna be hot though. It's gonna like burn our tongues.
Well, you're already hot though, so it shouldn't burn you too much. We're using paper plates because quite honestly, I didn't feel like doing dishes tonight.
I can't wait, I was hungry.
So you didn't put up with every day.
It's good. I said it's hungry. It's really, really good. It's better hot though. Like, you have to have homemade pizza hot.
It is good.
It's really good.
Delicioso!
Alright guys, so it's gonna be the end of this video, I think. So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe right down here and turn on your ring notifications because that's important so you know when we post a video.
We'll go ahead and wrap it up for tonight then. We're gonna have some more vlogs coming out, obviously. Keep those suggestions coming. I think we've got a few challenges coming up here for some vlogs, so stay tuned. We say toodaloo to all of our viewers out in vlogland, and thank you for watching the Comfort Vlogs.